Have you ever wondered how to hand over control of your Discord server to someone else? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer ownership of your Discord server quickly and safely so the right person can take charge without any hassle. First, make sure you are logged into your Discord account on either the desktop app or the web version. Transferring ownership is only possible if you are the current owner of the server. If you are not the owner, you will not see the options needed to complete this task. Once you are logged in, look at the list of servers on the left side of your screen. Click on the server where you want to transfer ownership. This will open the server's main page. Next, you need to access the server settings. To do this, click on the server's name at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Server Settings. Inside the server settings, find and click on the Members tab. This is where you see all the people who belong to your server. You can scroll through this list or use the search bar to find the member you want to make the new owner. After you locate the member, click on the three dots next to their name. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select Transfer Ownership. When you click on Transfer Ownership, a confirmation window will pop up. It will ask if you are sure you want to give ownership to this person. Take a moment to be certain because once you transfer ownership, you will no longer be the owner of the server. If you are ready, confirm the transfer by clicking on the Transfer Ownership button in the confirmation window. Sometimes, you may be asked to enter your Discord password or use two-factor authentication to verify your identity. This is an important security step. Once confirmed, the ownership will be transferred immediately. You will lose the owner status, and the selected member will now have full control over the server. This includes the ability to manage roles, change settings, and even transfer ownership again if needed. If you change your mind or want to become the owner again, you will need to ask the new owner to transfer ownership back to you. That's all there is to it. Transferring ownership of a Discord server is a quick process, but remember to do it carefully and only give ownership to someone you trust.